So the purpose of today's video is to share with you guys the experience that I have with the EasyEquities platform. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great today. I just wanted to take the time and thank everyone that's actually subscribed to my channel and the people that's watching my videos and commenting on my videos. It means a lot and it just helps me out tremendously to know that I'm actually providing you guys with valuable content. If you're not subscribed yet, please take the time to subscribe. Get involved with the channel, comment down below, and this channel is all about learning, and while you guys are learning, I'm also learning, and that's basically my goal for this channel. Today's video is a bit different, and I wanted to give a shout out to a different YouTuber with the name the Tshegofatso. And she really inspired me to make this video today, so go check out her channel. I'll link it down below in the description. So yeah, shout out to her. What I love about her channel is it's very transparent and like supernatural, and it's just really easy to watch, and she talks about her mistakes and then obviously things that she has learned through her investment journey. It's so inspiring seeing South African YouTubers doing so well, especially women, and she's doing great things on her channel, so go check her out. So for those of you that have watched my previous videos would have probably seen that I talk a lot about investing in easy properties and EasyEquities. And this is the platform that I've been using for quite a while now, and I remember the first time that I invested in the platform was like a couple of years ago when the platform just launched. I remember like they advertised the platform on OFM, and they said, like, they advertised this thing that if you invest or if you register, you will get a 50 Rand voucher to invest with. And that is exactly what I've done, and since I started I've never looked back again. And obviously there's a lot of mistakes that I made. One of the things that I quickly realized was that the platform is all about investing for the long term. So in the video of the Tshegofatso, she talks about buying and selling a lot of her shares, and this is basically where we get impatient because we want to see gains immediately, and if we don't see the gains we automatically want to sell. So for today's video I'm actually going to show you two investments that I made on the platform, and one of them is quite a good profit and the other one is a loss. And what I want to explain to you guys is there's two sides on this investing journey, and one is you can make really good returns, and the other one is you can lose quite a lot of money if you're impatient and you don't want to be invested for the long term. So the first one that I'm going to show you guys is actually a loss that I made, and when I say it's a loss, it's not realized yet because I didn't actually sell the shares. It's just that the price of the shares is down at the moment. So I'll show this on the screen. I'm just going to look at it here. It's called Naspers. So basically it's an investment that I made quite a few, or basically more than 2 years ago, and the shares are down with 23.39%. So technically I'm losing around 1,251 cents. And it might not seem like a lot of money, but if I was impatient and I sold this shares, then this loss will be realized. And this means that I'm actually losing money, and this is the opposite that we want to do. I want to invest money and make more money. So just to explain to you guys the strategy and the mindset that you need to have. In this case where I invested, let's say I invested 5,000 Rand and the cost or the value of the shares is 4,000 Rand. If I was impatient and I wanted access to that money, I would have sold that. and I would have lost 1,000 rand. And like I said, that's the opposite of what we want. Then on the other side, I want to show you guys a share that I bought. It's about 2 years ago, and all of you would probably know this company. It's called Sasol. And there's quite a lot of talk about Sasol, and it was one of the most watched shares in South Africa because their share price in the beginning of lockdown was almost cheaper than a bottle of Coke. And this is just crazy to think about, that you can buy a share of a company for less than a bottle of Coke. So to show you guys this investment, I invested, it's about 2 years ago now, and I invested quite a lot of money into this, and the return that I've made was 305%. And this is basically 3 times the money that I put in, and that's just crazy to think about. And so the profit that I have on this is around 70,000 rand. So that's a lot of money that you can make by just investing and doing the work and then just kind of keeping it. So it's been about 2 years now. I haven't sold it yet. Obviously, if we sell it, we need to pay tax on it, and that's a different ball game. But this is just to show you guys that you can make money on EasyEquities, and it just depends on your mindset and the strategy that you have. If you're in it for the long term, you can definitely profit from this platform, and it's definitely possible to make a lot of money. Even if you're just an average investor and you're starting small, the possibilities are endless. And it's just really important to not be impatient and have emotional intelligence to stay in it for the long term. And just remember that you won't lose money unless you actually sell those shares. Like the example that I gave you guys of the Naspers shares, if I were impatient and I sold those shares now, I would lose money. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait it out, because I don't need money, or I don't need access to that money, and I'm just going to wait it out until the shares eventually goes up. I wanted to share with you guys the results that I've seen, and just to be a bit transparent on what's going on with my portfolio. Although this is not all of the shares that I own, this is just a fraction, and this is just to show you guys the 2 different scenarios of investing. With that said, I really hope that you guys liked this video and that you found it helpful. Hopefully this inspires you to stay on track with your investment journey, and to kind of learn how to be patient, and just to focus on your goals, and to work towards financial freedom. So if you guys found this video helpful, please comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me. I love helping you guys, and it helps me as well. And thank you guys for subscribing. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Once again, everyone that's part of this journey, I appreciate you, and I appreciate the time that you're taking to watch my content. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.